Hi everybody, welcome to the second quarter newsletter of the Health and Wellness pillar of the Consumer Goods Forum. I'm Sharon Bly, I'm Director of Health and Wellness here at the CGF. I wanted to keep you up to date on the activities and meetings that we've had with our retailer and manufacturer members who are collaborating towards our vision of empowered, healthy consumers globally. The first meeting that we had was in Latin America with our Latin American Board of Directors and Steering Committee. In Mexico City, they focused on implementing the Health and Wellness Pillars agenda in that region. They're actually the first team to go live with a pilot entitled Make a Healthy Twist in Your Life, which is currently live in supermarkets across Bogota, where we're looking to inspire consumers to take on healthier diets and lifestyles. We're going to evaluate how we're doing in that first phase of collaboration, and we'll report back to the membership on next steps in that pilot. The Latin American Board of Directors also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the PAHO Foundation, and we're delighted to have this strategic partnership to help us focus on improving the lives of people in Latin America. The next team that met are the team that look after the entire strategy of the Health and Wellness pillar, our steering committee. They met in Chicago, where they validated the new narrative for the Health and Wellness pillar. They also worked in breakout sessions to build a more robust framework for action for our Collaboration for Healthier Lives initiatives and pilots. They also looked at areas where we need to step up our engagement and we need more leadership support, notably looking after our own people and employee health and wellness. They're also working on how we're going to stretch that agenda to include the well-being, moving beyond the physical sense. Then we looked at our annual Provost Report, which was published in March. I hope you've received your copy of that report. And we talked about how we're going to continue to drive implementation of our two 2018 commitments on marketing communications to children and consistent product information. What we're doing is we're creating a CGF learning series of case studies, webinars and best practice sharing to show how companies are implementing these commitments and policies in their own companies. If you go to the CGF website now, you can register for the next webinar, which is on marketing communications to children, and Nestle are going to share the challenges and opportunities for implementing that commitment in your company. We then talked about product reformulation. We were delighted with the figures of 180,000 products that were reformulated in 2016. And what that team is going to do now is work on a continuous improvement model and see how we can grow those figures year on year. The next team that met was in Amsterdam, our measurement and reporting team, and they're engineering the 2017 survey. We were thrilled with our results. Of course, we wanted to continue to improve, and we're looking now to increase participation in our reporting, and our target is 120 companies. You'll all receive that survey mid-July. We'll be asking for your data by the end of September, and we'd really appreciate your support to help us meet that target. At the moment at CGF, we're focusing on our Board of Directors meeting and our annual Global Summit, which are taking place mid-June in Berlin. The CEOs who sit on our Board of Directors will get a progress update on our leadership agenda in health and wellness. They're going to hear about the pilot that's live in Bogota. They're also going to hear about the next initiative, which will go live in Hagerstown in Maryland in the US. In Hagerstown, we're working with the local public health authorities under the umbrella of Healthy Washington County. What we're trying to do here is really create shared value and help the people and the business and community and inspire healthier diets and lifestyles in this region. This is really a flagship moment for our industry and new collaborative model that we're putting in place, and we'd love to get more companies involved and on board. At the Global Summit itself, the CEOs of Danone and Walmart will take to the stage where they're going to call for action to get more people involved in our Collaboration for Healthier Lives initiatives. We're also going to look to where we can roll out these pilots in other countries and regions around the globe. So if you're interested, please get in contact with the Consumer Goods Forum. Our next event will be our Sustainable Retail Summit, which will take place in the autumn in Montreal. Here we're looking for case studies on environmental, social sustainability and health and wellness. We're building a fantastic program, again, to drive implementation of everything we're doing at the Consumer Goods Forum. If what you've heard today is of interest to you, you're not already involved and you want to get involved, please contact me at the CGF and we'll see how we can build more flagship moments for our industry together. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you.